Hello everyone and welcome to another update video for the yearly project I'm doing for 2019, and this is the halfway mark for this project because we have the end of June, so we have 6 months in. And as a disclaimer, I want to say that I will not show you any little eyeshadow palette I have in this project because I haven't used only one shade once, so there's no use to show them all to you. But in the end of the year, I would like to have hit pan, or not hit pan, to use up one pan in every little kind of mini palette, if you want to say so. And yeah, these I will not show you here in this update, and I will only show you one blush because it's a blush where I have the most usage and where you can physically also see a change. So I will start with the blush because I'm already holding it and I told you about the blushes. I will not show you. So the one I did use quite a bit this month is from Max Factor in the color Soft Cardinal. And at the beginning, when I put it in this project, I did have a big pan. A lot of high amount of pan was showing, and now it looks like this. So as you can see on the top here, you can see the whole kind of empty space, and there's only the ring left around this. It's not a real pan, but I guess you understand what I mean. So it's not much left, and what I like to do with this is put it over actually this one, and this is a cream eyeshadow from Chanel and the color Undertone, but it went so dry that I mixed it, I think 2 months ago, with some other kind of cream eyeshadow shadows. But then again, in this month, it kind of dried again in the middle of the month. So I did mix it again with some other cream blushes, cream eyeshadows, and the container is full again. So the color we do have here, I don't know if the camera picks it up quite well, but it's more kind of a dusty violet. Yeah, more like a violet than a purple. But I do like it because it's with bronze and violet and lilac. These are the colors I'm more confident in using. So I do not only use this one on my eyes, but also on my cheeks somehow. And somehow I do like to top it over with the Max Factor blusher. So I do use both of these on my cheeks. I mean, the last week or week and a half I did this every day. And I also did use it as an eyeshadow base. Yeah, so that's how I did use this one up, or try to use this one. So yeah, that's about the cream eyeshadow update. And then I think I can just quickly, another disclaimer is I don't know where I did put the paper with all the markings. So unfortunately in this update we have to skip this part. But I did quite use my eyebrow pencil. I guess it's the same amount like every month because I do use it every day, and every time I mean the last month where I also did use it every day of the month, it was kind of the same amount of usage. So I think it's going down, but just a little amount, and I still think that I will need at least until the end of the year, if not going into the next year, to use this eye pencil up. And for the highlighter, I did had pan last time, but this one is so soft. It's from Becca, the Purge Cream highlighter in Moonstone, that when I swirl it around, sometimes you can see the pan and sometimes you don't. So at the moment you do not see any pan, because I don't know if you can see how the product lies in the pan. I did swirl around quite a bit, so sorry, my nose. So yeah, that's what it looks like, but I know that if I swirl it in a specific way, the pan would show up again. So this is just normal. What's normal? I would say I did use it maybe a week in the whole month, so not that much, because I'm not so much into highlighter at the moment. But yeah, I'm only using these two guys at the moment on my cheeks. And then I do have here 2 lip products. So these are the lip products I do have in my project. This is a lip balm from Fresh in the color Sugar Coral. And yeah, this is very, it looks like I haven't used it at all. Maybe I did use it a couple times, not that much. But I did use a little bit of my lip gloss here from Tony Moly. As you can see, same amount like last month. So yeah, this is quite difficult because the packaging is just so messy. I have the feeling I do say it every month, every update, that this packaging is messy and you can't take it in your bag with you all around. And when it's in here in my place, I just do forget to use it. But still, there's since March, the update is kind of constant. So constant. Yeah. Anyway, there's progress, and I'm happy that there is, and I hope that at least in 3 months this will be finally gone, because it took me quite a while to use this. Anyway, okay, I do have a foundation which I can't show you the progress, because it's kind of a cushion foundation, but I just wanted to tell you, this is how it looks like. I just wanted to tell you that I did switch the sponge in here upside down, because it was getting more difficult to get the product out. And yeah, that's what I did. So I think it's nearing the end. So I hope that in the coming months this will be gone and I can switch it up with another foundation, even though I do have a backup of this, and you can take this container out and switch it then. But this is way too light for my skin at the moment, because we have summer here and it's quite hot. And even though in the camera I wouldn't think that I got a lot of tan, I did get a little bit of tan, but yeah, this is still too light since the beginning. So yeah, but I'm happy if it's gone. So the other kind of base makeup I do have here is my concealer from the Sam, and I already did take out my stopper. I think last update I did, as I have done it already last time, I guess. Anyway, I still do use it every time I do my makeup, and I guess there's still quite a bit in here. Even though if you swirl it around, you can see some windows. I hope you will see what I mean. So there's still enough of product which you can use, so I will. And yeah, let's see how far I can go even with having taken out the stopper. So yeah, that's that. And then I do have an eyeshadow pencil, not eyeliner pencil. I do have 3 in this project, but I did mostly use the brown one. So this is how it looks like, and I have the feeling it did went quite small, so it's quite tiny, and I mean, I think when I do use it every day for the next month as well, or as frequently as I did, this might be gone maybe in the next update, because some eyeliner don't, I mean, sometimes they stop around here as well, you know, so let's see. Hopefully, I hope that it will be used up in the next month. So then, let's talk about, 3 more products I do have here, and one is the bronzer. So last month, I did have a big pan in here as well. But yeah, and it was getting very difficult to use the product around with my brush. So I thought I will repress it. And then I thought, because I got a bit of tan, maybe I can mix it with some darker colors. So in the end, the result of all this kind of mixing project is that the pan is quite full again. Yeah, that's how it looks like at the moment. So I will kind of, at least until the end of the year, I need this time to use this one up, what's in here. But I'm fine. I mean, it's product and I will use it up, and I hope that I will finish this one until the end of the year, because it's full again, like at the beginning, and I needed at least 5 months to show a big pan. So yeah, let's see how this will go. And then I do have my setting spray from MAC, and I'm quite proud because I never used up so much in a month like I did last month. So as you can see, the last update where the number 6 mark is where I'm at the moment. So quite a bit. But for the summertime, somehow I really do like spritzing it over my face, because it's quite refreshing. So that's probably the reason why I did use that much. Yeah. And yeah, anyway, it's still in my project. I'm gonna use it until this one is gone. And then the last product I do have in this project is my perfume. And for this, it's still sticking around. As you can see, here is the last mark. Yeah, that's, I mean, yeah, anyway, I can say the last week I did not use it that much, because yeah, it's somehow too warm for this scent, and this scent I really do like, but it's kind of heavy. So sometimes I do use it when I go out, but more in the evening time. But for work, I do use another perfume which don't last that long, because this is also a perfume which lasts a long time on my skin which I really do like. I rather like perfumes which last longer on my skin than perfumes which I just spritz and after 1 or 2 hours you can't even smell anything, because some are expensive even though they don't last that long. So that's this one. Still in this project, but I know until the end of the year this one will be gone, and yeah, still debating on repurchasing it or not. So that's my update for this month. And yeah, how's your project going? Um, Please let a comment down below. I do really like watching all the project pan videos from, I think I really nearly watched all of them on YouTube. I find I'm really such, yeah, I'm not a nerd, but I just saw all of the videos, even though I do not comment on every video, and some of them I even watched twice. I don't know why. I'm kind of a freak, I guess. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you hopefully in my next video. Bye.